EasyPianoOnline. Hello everyone, today we will learn how to play the main title theme from the movie Corpse Bride. In this first tutorial we will learn the first part of this song, and parts 2 and 3 are on the website, please have a look. Okay, so we'll begin the first part with the right hand. So in the introduction part, the right hand plays fourth finger on D flat and second finger on B flat. And then we move on to the main theme. So fourth finger is on F, second is on D flat, then again F, B flat, not B flat, G flat. Fourth is on F, third finger is on F, then C and A flat, fingers 1 and 5. Fourth finger on G flat, and then first and third on A flat and F. For smaller hands, you can substitute the third finger with the fourth. Third finger is on E flat. Repeat E flat with second finger. Third is on F. Fourth is on G flat. Third is on F. G flat. F. D flat. Repeat the D flat with second finger. E flat. D flat, first is on C, second finger is on B flat, and together A and F. Okay, now we'll look at the left hand. So in the introduction, the left hand plays fifth finger on B flat, and hold the B flat while you play F and B flat above it. Two more times, 1 and 2. Now in the main theme we begin with fifth on B flat. F, B flat, second is on F, fifth is on C, flat, F and B flat, A flat, fourth is on E flat, fifth finger is on E flat, Again, E flat, G flat, D flat, third is on A flat, fifth is on F, Okay, so once you're confident with each hand separately, we can now combine hands together. Left hand begins with fifth finger on B flat and right hand fourth finger on D flat. Introduction. Now just the left and the main theme. Together, left hand fifth on D flat, right hand A flat and F, fingers 1 and 3. For smaller hands, you may substitute it to fourth. Together, both hands play E flat, Alright, this is it for the first part of Corpse Bride main title theme. Please see the website for parts 2 and 3. Enjoy practicing!